Winnings leads to major confidence. Most of the time, whenever you start your day with winning all the tasks which you are performing, like moment by moment, minute by minute, hours by hours, like the things which you are performing, if you deny the comfort zone and every single moment you choose to do something which you fear the most, you choose to do something which is maintaining your consistency, and you choose to be confident in all of those particular mind state where you might feel shy sometimes. Let me just fix this camera once. And today we are going to really discuss something very awesome, like amazing. And seriously, let me come to my actual mode. I love this hat, and I have been wearing this since last 2 years or 3 years, you can say. And seriously, and it gives me good. Like this is my whole gesture. This is my whole thing which I wear every single day. It is like one of my work ethics. Like if I wear this or if I wear this is my constant. Like this stays whatever. Like if I can go, but this stays. It's attached to my soul. So yeah, so I'm so sorry to telling man. Like I hope that you are really doing best, awesome. I think you had some missed moments, or I think you had some of the low moments today, or I think you got disappointment by a few of the activities which you performed. It is not like you didn't put the efforts. You tried to do something, but you was not getting the energy from inside. Like you was not feeling that much positive or motivated or so much energetic or internally happy. You were internally happy, but the thing was something was not coming from inside, and it was not just giving you that much energy to do the work which you do it every day. So why it happens, why the confidence just stops sometimes, why we are just sleepy sometimes? There are some major reasons which I am going to share with you, and if you just follow these two or three simple things, it is going to give you maximum energy. Like each and every bit of grain and the wheat which you eat every single day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, it will give you maximum effort, maximum use of energy. And how we can do that, let's learn in this prime video. A very good morning to you all. My name is Shubham Bisht, and I welcome you all once again back to this amazing platform of YouTube named as Happiness Prime. This is H81 Prime video, where we are going to learn the major things which drives our day, the major things which helps us get more energy, and it is like ultimate source. Like how can we get the best use of that single piece of grain, or the water, the every single bit drop of water which we drank, or like everything which we eat, how can we get the maximum use of it? Like how can we get that, how can we get that, convert the internal happiness to that hustle mode? How we can use that in doing the best possible productive and learning environment, learning atmosphere, learning hustle? So how can we do that? First thing, eat good dinner. It is mandatory. When you have good dinner, then you can work hard from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. Before you sleep, you can work 4 to 5 hours in a very good mood, in the most, like in being present with your values and getting all the positive thoughts, and you can utilize those thoughts in your hard work in before you sleep, like 4 to 5 hours before you sleep. When you sleep, when you, like after your hustle, after your 12 hours hustle, and then this 4 to 5 hour hustle, when you sleep, you get all the satisfaction in the mind that okay, this was awesome. Like you don't need something to sleep, you just lay down, you close your eyes. Oh my god, my cap, like in the previous video also it went down. So you just lay down and you close your eyes, and it's done. Like you're so done, you're just slept for the next 5 to 6 hours. It is done. So this is very important. When you get the internal happiness and satisfaction in this duration, it is just next level. Then you get all the good dreams. Like the most nicest dreams you can ever imagine you will get in that sleep, because you are internally happy, and when your mind is happy you will get the awesome dreams. If you are watching Instagram or YouTube, or raising all the insecurities, or just feeding something very unusual or very comparative, or feeding some Instagram models to your mind, then it is not going to help you get a better dream or a better sleep or a happier sleep. So always remember that you have to work hard and be internally happy when you are going to sleep. Then you sleep, then you wake up in the morning. When you wake up in the morning, you'll be having all the positive energies, and I can seriously bet you, I can assure you, and you can just kick me, and you can just punch me in the face and break my teeth, that if you don't get positive feelings and positive thoughts when you wake up, until you remind your, like, no, there is no exceptions. There is just no exceptions. You are going to get positive thoughts if you hustle, then sleep, and then wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. 12 to 6, you are going to have good sleep, like 6 hours. It can be 1 to 7. It can be like 9 to 2, 9 to 3, something. Like, it can be anything, but it has to be 6 hours of sleep. Then you wake up. Then you can start your day hustle. Like, you can start directly. What I do is I write the blogs, then I go home, get fresh for like 30 40 minutes, and then I come back and again start writing blogs. Like, I learn about different industries and I write. Then I go home 1 hours, like 7, like now 7:30 to 8:30 I go home. 8:30 I come back anyhow. Like, everything is going on in my mind, like I need to do this, and then and we have to get back 8:30, and we have to just pick up the phone and start calling. Hello sir, good morning, kaise ho aap, and all of that. So I'm trying to help. It is like for the benefit of that sir who is going to get scammed and somewhere else. So I'm trying to help him, because we already have a very good community of developers and expertise of this particular field. So why won't I call him and ask him, sir, please don't get scammed in other places. I want you to, I want to help you, sir. I have so good community here. Then why will I not help you, sir? Please let me help you. Please let me take the responsibility which you are having in your head. Please let me just kick off all the headache which you have in your mind. I'm here to help you. Let's do this together, sir. I'm with you. You want legal documents, I'm with you. You want software, I'm with you. You want business plan, I'm with you. You want anything. You want products, there are the products, sir. Tell me, this is the best quality products ever. Like, I'm here for you, sir. You tell me. So we have this much amount of helping feeling inside of ourselves when we come back, just because, see, I won the first thing which came to me when I wake up. Like, when I woke up, I wrote the blogs which gave me internal happiness, that okay, now we have the hustle mode, that we did something which we love to do, and now we got fresh, and now we are again back to do something which we always love to do, like sales and helping people. That is the awesome part. So we come back with the full energy, with some winning atmosphere, winning mindset in the back of the brain, that yes, we have roadblock, we have did something which 99% people are not even, which are not big. They wake up 9 o'clock, and then they drive to their workplace, and then they just see so much pressure and stress and this and that. So when people wake up at like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, they don't get the time to get the first win. The first loss makes the whole day worse. The first loss makes the whole day worse. This is very nice. So I get, like, I don't make this thing. It comes from inside, and you are witnessing this. This is H81 Prime video. So okay, so yes, when you do the sales call, then like, no, for me, sales call, so whatever your interest is, then you do that particular thing with the full interest, with the full guts. You just start to do that thing, and you do it positively. You do it in a positive note, and you really love to do those things, and the time passes by. And then when there is 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, then you have to just eat. No, before that, when there is 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, this much time maximum, the night food can sustain and can give you the best energy till 9 o'clock at maximum. Before 9, at least till 8:30 or till 9:30, you have to fill your tummy up again with something. You have to eat with, like, you have to eat something which is having energy. It can be oats, it can be milk, it can be bread, it can be eggs, it can be vegetables, it can be roti, it can be sabji, it can be bhat, it can be dal, it can be poha, it can be something, but you have to fill it up completely, so the food is still here. So you get the energy again till 1 o'clock, till 12:30, till you can say 1 o'clock. Like, you want to get that 9 a.m. to 1 a.m. energy, this slot energy you want, and it is not going to come by the yesterday night's dinner. It is going to come by the breakfast which you are going to do. So don't think about the money. Eat good food in the morning. Just take your time, take 15-20 minutes. Just spending 20 minutes here in the breakfast is going to help you sustain and give you lots of energy for the next 5 hours. And if you don't eat this breakfast, then this 9 to 1 p.m. duration is going to ruin your whole day hustle. Whole morning win which you had in your mindset, it is all going to fade away just because you didn't had the good energy to connect the brain with the stomach. Like, it is all connected system. If you have some, like, I know that I have all the positive values. You know that you have all the positive guts, all the confidence, all the intention, patience, and hard work and dedication, and you have every good positive thoughts. And you won with a, like, you woke up with a win. But when you don't have the energy, when the food is not there in the stomach, then there is nothing which is connecting this mind to this stomach, to this awareness, this present mindset. There is nothing which is connecting. And when this happens, what is the first thing which happens is your mind starts making stories about the past, about yesterday, about the evening yesterday, about, like, past relationships, about the parents, about the client families, about the customers, about, like, different stories. Millions of stories are going to get in your head, and it is going to just completely rotate and rotate, and you won't be able to live in this present mindset. You won't be able to think anything. Like, how can you help somebody when you are lost in your own stories? Like, you can only help others when you are all sorted out in your life, and you are not thinking about your past, just because you know that present is everything. What you are going to get in future is how much you learn from the past and what you are doing in the present. That's it. So that is why you need good breakfast. Then you have 9 to 1 a.m. good hustle. Then at 1 a.m., like, at least 1 a.m, 1:30, 2 a.m, 2 p.m, you just have to, like, 1:30 p.m, 1 p.m, or 2 p.m, you have to eat good lunch. Just tummy full of lunch, and from 3 o'clock you can just hustle so hard till the night. 7:30, 8:30, you can just hustle so much that you can't even imagine. You can help each and every person. You can win every single task which is getting in your place, getting in your mind, getting in your schedule, getting in your routine. You can win every single thing, and it is, like, you will love this thing, and it really, it is just awesome. So why won't we, like, who don't love to win? Like, we all love to win. We all love to love people, and love our parents, and love all the strangers which we get, and we want to help people. Like, who will say no to help somebody when they have money? But we don't have money. That's the main thing. Like, we all want to have money, but we don't have money. And what we do if we don't have money? We play games, PUBG. We upload Instagram photos. We upload in, like, we do different stuff. We buy different watches, or mobile phone, or iPhone, or, like, what we do when we don't have money. Like, if you don't have money to give, like, 1 lakh rupees to a community of beggars, or to just like, give them the subscription of food for the next 30 days, it is million zillion, and there is no comparison than buying an iPhone. Like, it is of no use. So I hope you really got to learn the best from this awesome, amazing, valuable H81 Prime video. I really wish, and I really wish, and I really wish from the bottom of my heart that you really, I really wish from the bottom of my heart that you keep loving the loved ones, you keep loving your parents, your families, your strangers, your pet dogs, your journey, your happiness, your task, your daily schedule, and whatever you do. Like, either you do what you love, or you don't do what you love just because of the responsibilities which you have on your head. Do it with your whole passion, do it with your whole life's energy. And let me just promise you that this life is a mirror. Whatever you do comes back in any form. So if you put something on the table and you keep hustling without any expectations, then you are going, like, the good karma is going to place, and it's going to play its role very soon. Not very soon, but it is going to play out, and you are going to love it. and you won't love it more than the journey which you are spending. You won't love it more than that, but still it is going to play out the way it is going to play out, and nobody can change the way it is going to play out. So let's play the way it is going to play out. I hope you got to learn the best, and please keep learning, please keep loving, please keep learning all the values every single day. And I hope no, will bring positive values every day in front of you, so you can learn and you can just have so much fun in this amazing Happiness Prime series. Have fun. Good night. Keep loving your loved ones. Never be impatient. Never watch social media. Watch social media, but don't get overwhelmed from the social media. Don't raise insecurities. Don't buy the things which you love to do, which you love to no, which you think no. Don't buy the things just to show off, which you don't like at all, but just to look good you buy that. Never do that. Love people. Give. Keep giving. It's just amazing fun when you give. Have no expectations to get back something in return. Good night.